If you're having issues with cash on delivery on TikTok, you're in the right place. I'll guide you step by step on how to fix it. So let's get started. First things first, let's identify the common issues with cash on delivery on TikTok. These can include incorrect address details, payment issues, or even technical glitches on the app itself. Step 1, verify your address details. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Now, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to access settings and privacy. Navigate to manage account and then address book. Check if your address details are accurate. If not, update them accordingly. Now, next thing you can do is check your payment method. Ensure that your payment method is set up correctly and is active. Follow these steps. Again, on settings and privacy, go to payment methods or payment settings. Verify your payment method and make sure it's active and valid. Having a valid payment method is crucial for successful cash on delivery transactions. And that's it. By following the steps, you should be able to fix any cash on delivery issues on TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.